Life as a software engineer might suck if you hate coding. But you don't have to worry. You can pick a lot of other jobs inside your company require zero coding skills. Role number 1, communication. Let's say you are interested in writing. Very good at writing or probably trying to be good at writing. It's okay. All that you need is 15 to 20 blogs where you can show your expertise. But I understand you will not be an expert on day one. You can start it from here and have a timeline of 3 to 4 months and prepare writing good. Like every single day you write 5 or 6 paragraphs, post it on LinkedIn and have your particular blog about some particular topic. It could be technical writing if you're still having some soft corner for technology, or it could be lifestyle writing or anything. I think starting to write on Quora is also a very good idea. Once you have a good portfolio of writing, I think you can send it across to people inside your company, also outside your company, and see if somebody is ready to hire you. Role number 2, business analyst. Do you think you have a very good business acumen, but just not the coding skills? It's okay, because business analyst is also a booming role. You definitely need a business analyst to gather the requirements and put it in a form that everyone understands. So they work as a bridge between the business. For a service company, maybe it's like a client versus our company, and make it into small chunks like people understand. If you are someone who is very good at communication, business analyst role is definitely for you. Third role is product management. Me myself being a product manager who started as a non-technical person, I suggest product management if you are an idea person. Like, can you think about looking at an app? Oh, I wish this app was in different way. I so wish this was more usable. If you are someone who thinks like that and you think you can make more and more business out of it and bring in a lot of revenue, I think product management is your best friend. For becoming a product manager, having a technical skill is definitely good, but you also need a lot of other skills like communication, negotiation, empathy, a lot of other skills which are all acquirable skills. Like you can take up courses and build your own portfolio. Like when I say build your own portfolio, you can believe that you can be anyone, like take it business analyst or product manager, but a company should believe that you will do it well, for which you have to build a small product for them to take you directly as a product manager, even if it's going to be inside your company or outside your company. For them to believe you can build a small product, an idea, look at Swiggy or look at Rentomojo and create a product, something like their competitor, not necessarily building it with coding or prototype, or at least an idea of how you will bring this product to life. A case study, a white paper, thought process will definitely help you to at least land in an interview. Next role I'm going to suggest you is user experience designing. I think there are a lot of confusion about this particular role because of one reason, that there are UX researchers, UX designers, UX analysts. There are quite a lot of sections inside UX, but as a designer, as a UX designer, you might have to come up with wireframes. When I say wireframes, before designing a website, how this is going to look like, how it is easy for a user. All that you should be worried about is a user. So if you are a very good user of multiple products on your phone or also on web, I think user experience can really help you. Even for this, you might have to do some courses to understand the wireframe or understand the framework of UX designing, and maybe to land in an interview, you might have to do some wireframes and some thought process, a case study about an existing product that can help. Are you an execution freak? Are you good at following up? Are you good at asking people for updates? Then this role will suit you best. Scrum Master or a program manager. I think Scrum Master can be a starting point, and after a point you can become a program manager. This is more about seeing if things are going well and also having a high level understanding of what the project is all about and when are we supposed to deliver it, and following up with people. If you are someone who are very good at people and getting the things done without any authority, program management or Scrum Master role is perfect. The next role that's becoming very, very famous is product marketing manager. This role is all about how will you market this particular product, because as a company there are quite a lot of products. Not very sure about service-based companies, but in product-based companies they do have a lot of products, and how do they market each and every product to a particular segment or ecosystem is the role all about. You can read about this role quite a lot, and you don't really need an MBA for any of the roles that I told you, until unless you have a very good understanding about especially when you are fresh, when you are just starting your career or just 2-3 years old into your career, people will be okay to take a risk on you and give any role. So product marketing manager is a very interesting role. Talks about campaign into particular product, branding that particular product. It's a very interesting role. I think you can also acquire all these skills by doing a lot of courses, having an understanding towards what you do if that will align to these products or these roles. I think if you pursue for 3 to 5 months, I'm very sure you can land in an interview. To score on interview, you have to prepare even more. I suggest you to have a mentor on each of these roles, somebody who works with you or also someone who you follow on LinkedIn. Just send them a cold mail that you want to move to this role, will they be interested in helping you. So if you have them and if you can understand the day-to-day life of their job, you will have a better correlation of will you be okay or will you be happy doing that particular role. I think a proper research and then better plan into moving to a role is the best choice, and you can definitely land in any of these jobs. You don't have to worry just because you're not good at coding or you're not interested in coding. All the very best. To know more about campus to office, all the issues, the problems you have, or the things you would like to see, please comment below and tell us what are the topics that you would like to see. We will definitely be doing a video on that. Till then, bye-bye.